What's up, little homies? Guess what? Tonight we're going to go see Darevo. You remember Darevo, right?
Darevo was a part of Halo KTS videos from the very beginning. I met him on Xbox Live in 2012 and we became fast friends. After some coaxing, I was able to convince him to start a company together and eventually to move from paradise to the frozen wasteland of Pennsylvania.
Today we're going to be doing some scripting and storyboarding. The great thing about pre-planning, it doesn't really cost you anything. So it's the easiest way to get your stories to look better. All you need. So I think I have everything I need. We're supposed to meet Darren at 7:30. Let's go. The great thing about pre-production is that it hardly costs you anything. You can do most of it yourself. And the only thing that you really need is you. So I haven't told Darren this yet, but the shorts that I want to work on are sort of relationship based. They're just going to be real simple stuff. Bringing you guys along for the entire ride. I better turn out the light. This is not safe. It's not safe. All right, guys, we're here. We made it. Look who it is. What are we doing? It's Darevo.
Are we live streaming? What's going on right now?
So, Darevo doesn't know that we even started this yet. So, this is a surprise to him.
Project right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're here at the office that I can't show you because that's totally trademarked, and we're probably not going to be able to film in there. We're going to try and sneak anyways. But
so you have a secret camera inside of undisclosed store?
But yeah,
that has coffee and literature?
Yeah, it's the actual Darevo.
So, when you're putting together a film project, one of the most commonly overlooked aspects, or at least most misunderstood, is pre-production. Now basically there are three phases to any media project: pre-production, filming, and post. And pre-production is basically a big umbrella that includes conceptualization, pre-visualization, often shortened to Pre-vis, scripting, shot listings, scouting, prop listings, shot scheduling, and casting, and they're all connected. Each of these subjects is large and complex enough to have their own video. Now, depending on the size of the project, you may be able to survive with very little pre-production, but as a general rule, you should expect to devote about double your planned shoot time to pre-production. This is the one thing that most beginning filmmakers get wrong. The common perception is that filmmaking is about filming, when in reality, filming is only about 10%.
We locked down our location, potential actors, the framework of our story. Actually,
some
two
dialogue.
stories. Yeah,
we for ad-libs.
We kind of want to go in sort of a improv direction with this, but guided improv. So
training wheels. Yeah. Improv training wheels.
Should be exciting. So anyways, it's super cold out here.
Yeah, no,
I'm gonna let you go.
I'm gonna shiver.
So what's our next step?
Locking down actors and a date.
Sounds like a plan. All right, we finally made it home. Super excited. That session went amazing with Darren. We got a lot of things fleshed out. I think that the shoot is finally ready to go. We got our script all ready. We got our shots all listed. We're ready to actually start shooting, and we have our cast all set up and the location. So, super productive night. I am about done though. So, if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and peace out, little homies.